Alright guys, this time I'm going to do a couple of exercises about order of operations. Basically the concept here is about how to prioritize and what has to be prioritized. So the principle basically is implicit in this little word pandas, where we first do whatever is inside parentheses, or if you see any exponent implied, you solve that first. After that, and then you see a line of operations, then you're going to take a look at whatever multiplication and division you see, and then you go from left to right, and at the end you will end up, if there is, with a bunch of operations that just contains additions and subtractions, and then you can do again going from left to right. So the exercise you have here in front is one case where you have a combination of everything. You have parentheses, you have exponents, you have, in this case, you have a division, you have a addition here, you have a subtraction here. So let's prioritize just the way that it is thought. So look at this. We start with parentheses and exponents. Let's begin with the parentheses that you see here. So what do you see inside this parentheses? You have the operation of negative 12 plus 4. Sometimes you will see that negative numbers are going to be inside parentheses in order to clarify what you are dealing with. Alright? So what we have here is this operation has to be done first. So negative 12 plus 4 is going to be negative 8. With that, I don't need the parentheses anymore, so what I can write now is just the division operator, and this negative 8 is being divided by negative 2. You see why it's necessary, the parentheses? Because having two operators at the same time can be a little bit confusing. So I should understand that I have negative 8 divided by negative 2, and let's complete this. Minus, I could right away do this exponent because they are at the same level of operations. So negative 7 squared is negative 7 multiplied by negative 7, right? Because it's the number multiplied by itself. That is going to be negative times negative is positive. So it's going to be a 49. So this thing is 49. Be careful. We are subtracting this result. So you are subtracting 49, right? Now take a look at this new line of operations. We have a negative number divided by another negative number, and then you do a subtraction. According to this, we have two operations, division and subtraction. Which one goes first? According to this, we have division for prioritized. So we do this division first, then the subtraction. So what I have is negative 8 divided by negative 2. It's going to be a 4 minus 49. I bring this down, and then 4 minus 49 is negative 45, and we're done. Okay?